Proud of African road, innocent vehicles. If I mean you are falling, innocent vehicles. Where you want go, as long as na motor, should be you go pass road. You can trust in a VM motors. Shy, if you want go, with your family convo.
Innocent Vehicles, 11 years of steady improvement and growth. Before Innocent Vehicle was commissioned in 2010, over 30,000 brand new cars sold in Nigeria were all imported. At the time, there was no functional vehicle manufacturing or assembly plant in Nigeria producing these cars. Yet, out of guts, faith and hope, Innocent Chukwuma decided to venture into vehicle manufacturing, becoming the first to produce a made-in-Nigeria vehicle that will be named Innocent. This is not the first time Innocent has decided to blaze the trail by producing a made-in-Nigeria automotive product. In 2000, Innocent decided to start the manufacturing and assembly of Innocent brand of motorcycles and made huge success out of it. More so, Innocent ventured into the manufacturing of plastic automotive products by establishing a plastic manufacturing plant. Innocent Technology and Industries Company Limited, Enugu, reputed to be largest plastic manufacturing company in West Africa with over 150 lines of products, which includes plastic automotive products, high-quality household and industrial plastics, health and safety accessories, storage containers, fixtures and fittings, electrical components and accessories. Within 2 years of establishing Innocent Vehicles, the then governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, ordered for 1,000 units of Innocent Vehicles, which includes pickups, buses and SUVs. The show of faith by Mr. Peter Obi was the trigger Innocent needed to show the durability and capacity of the made-in-Nigeria vehicle. Today, the vehicles bought under the administration of Mr. Peter Obi are still being used today by some traditional rulers, schools as well as security agencies, proving the durability strength of Innocent Vehicles. Truth is that for 11 years IVM has been in existence, there has never been a better last year. Innocent Vehicles has been improving steadily on the quality of its vehicles by ensuring it gets feedbacks from the users of Innocent Vehicles to know their views on their IVM experience, and with these feedbacks it seeks better ways to improve on the taste and preferences of our customers to suit the environment. Feedbacks from the users of Innocent Vehicles attest to the durability and high standards of the vehicles.